Laynie and welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Leave it down below. I hope you're doing well. We've had some very strange weather here lately. We're under a tornado watch, but it's like really beautiful out. I don't know. I will take the pretty skies. A fragrance sample that I'm really excited to get my nose on because I can't find this anywhere. The package has seen better days. I personally love buying samples off of Mercari because fragrances like Pokemon, I've got to catch them all. I want to smell everything, and I have gotten my nose on a lot. Whenever we travel, I hit up every Sephora, every Ulta, every niche shop I can find. Like, I go to all the places, but I have not found this one when I'm out and about. Maybe I'm just like blind and it's right in front of me, but I haven't seen it. This is Narciso Rodriguez Pure Musk Blanc. But when I started to see advertising for the Pure Musk Blanc, I got very intrigued. So if you enjoy fragrance content, make sure you click that subscribe button, join the fam, you won't regret it, and let's get to sniffing. My nose has changed so much over the last year or so. I now really love freshy, a musky freshy, like I love it. According to Fragrantica, we have top notes of clean notes, aldehydes, jasmine, and bergamot. Some people don't love aldehydes. I find I often really enjoy them. They make me get like sunshine in a bottle. Middle notes, musk, and white flowers. In the base, then we have some vanilla, cedarwood, and amber. I feel like those are always kind of a go-to in the base notes for me. I usually enjoy it. The accords in here are white floral, fresh, musky, aldehydic, powdery, vanilla, animalic. The only thing that scares me is the animalic. I'm not against it because it can add a real sexiness to a fragrance, but if it goes too extreme, then it gets stanky and like BO, and I don't enjoy that. This in the opening blast reminds me so much of Room 1015 Love-O-Matic. I mean, big time. This truly is a fresh laundry dryer sheet type of fragrance. Wow, it is ultra clean. It's like you're getting into fresh laundried white sheets. They're soft, they're supple, they feel so good and clean. It's much more fresh laundry than I was expecting. I do really like that they went with the Blanc theme because wow, this smells like the color white. In the This Reminds Me Of section on Fragrantica, there's Zara Woman in White, which I think I got my nose on when I was at Zara in Miami, but it doesn't stick out in my memory. Besides, I feel like I didn't love it. Carolina Herrera Cedar Chic, which I would love to get my nose on. That bottle is stunning. I love the whole vibe of it. Alyssa Ashley Musk, never smelled it. Tom Ford Metalique. I have smelled that, but I don't feel like they smell the same. As you can tell, there's quite a few reminds me on there, and so this isn't like a groundbreaking, never smelled it before. I'm surprised people didn't put in there that it reminds them of, let me think for a second, Blanche by Byredo, or the dupe of it, which I have Alt White. That is also a very clean sheets, fresh laundry type of fragrance. I'm getting a little bit of that vanilla and amber coming forward, but very subtly. So far, it's staying very clean and fresh laundry. This isn't going to be for everybody. Not everybody wants to smell like a dryer sheet, and really that is kind of what it smells like, more than I would say a perfume. But I think this would play really nicely, and this would be one that would be fun to mix with gourmand fragrances that you want to tame and tone down, add a freshness to in the high heat. I think this would really work for that. The musk is done really beautifully in here, I must say. It is just done to perfection. I like that more than I expected. Like, that one's probably going to stay on my wish list. Oftentimes lately, because my collection is a little too big, I can't lie, I need to really go through, start pulling some stuff out that I don't reach for. I've gotten to a point where I really enjoy most of my fragrances, but I do need to slim her out a bit. But like, this one is going to stay on my wish list because I do really like it more than I expected. If you have Byredo Blanche or the Alt dupe, you don't necessarily need the Narciso Pure Musk Blanc. They're very similar. But if I got this, I would be happy to get rid of my Alt dupe white because I really like this one a lot. To me, this is like light years better. This is just like what I'm enjoying now. And I feel like this layered with self-made would be perfection. All right, guys, that is all for today's video. It is short and sweet, but I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, have you got your nose on Pure Musk Blanc? If so, definitely leave your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. And as always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Mwah! I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.